Hi everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating how to utilize one of our other amazing tools called Authorization Checker, or short for Auth Checker. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the left hand side of our screen, and we have two options to access this tool. So you could toggle your mouse over and select Authorization Checker, or you could select Tools and Open Tool for Authorization Checker. Right here, you would add the information of the patient whose HIPAA you are attaching. In this case, I'm adding a sample client who is John Doe and his date of birth. And then I'm going to attach his HIPAA document here. So you could drag and drop, or you could select it from your desktop. Once selected, it should look something like this. In this scenario, it is labeled as blank HIPAA since we want to show you guys what it looks like to have a HIPAA with any failures. So let's go ahead and let Auth Checker revise this HIPAA, and then we'll give it a couple seconds. Once complete, it should look a little bit something like this. It should have a checklist available for you, and HIPAA Authorization Checker is letting us know this HIPAA is not up to par since it is a blank HIPAA that I attached. It's letting me know the information that is missing. Although our HIPAA does have the necessary information that's disclosed, we don't have any of the patient's information. So this would be a fail on our end. Now let's go ahead and see what a successful past HIPAA looks like. So again, I inputted the patient's information as well as date of birth and their HIPAA. Now you'll notice here it says John Doe's HIPAA since I selected one with all his information. Now we're going to let Auth Checker do its job and give it a couple seconds to go through this HIPAA and see if there's anything missing on our end. So right here, you'll notice Auth Checker has provided us the checklist to go through, and it looks like we scored an 18 out of 18. That is why we'll see here, we do have the dates of service listed, as well as date of expiration, patient's name, date of birth, gender, as well as their signature, date of signature, and such. And that is how you use Auth Checker.